Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Planner UK. I wanted to show you today my Commonplace book, which is something that I started maybe about 6 months ago, and it's kind of like a lifetime project as I see it. So I've got it in this beautiful sunflower cover, which I got from a D-stash, and the book that I'm using, sorry I'm filming one-handed today, is quite a nice thick book. It's kind of got gilded pages. The paper is okay. It's not the best for fountain pens, but it's, you know, it's okay, we'll manage. And I do like the fact that it's such a thick book, because I'm thinking that this Commonplace book, obviously it's gonna take me a lifetime to fill it up. So yeah, I started with Commonplace book in June 2019. I got really interested in what a commonplace book is. Apparently they used to be very common, particularly in the 19th century in modern Europe. And it's not a journal, it's not chronological, and it's not kind of introspective. It's more a way to compile knowledge. So people can use it to maybe fill it with kind of recipes, quotes, letters, poems, information, facts that they want to be able to reference and obviously pass on to maybe future generations. So I really like the thought of it. I really like the thought that this is something different to what I do in my other journals and planners, and it has like a very specific kind of place. So lots of people have kept commonplace books or keep commonplace books, including people like Bill Gates. And so at the start, I just wanted to record kind of some of this. So Julius Caesar, Lewis Carroll, people like that. And yeah, I really like this thought, but it's a project for a lifetime. So basically, I have used it. I've not filled up that many pages so far, but I've used it for book notes. So these are some book notes that I took from Captivology. Obviously, as many of you might know, I'm an event planner, so obviously this book was really relevant. It's about the science of capturing people's attention. And so obviously recorded a few notes there. A conference that we ran, there was some quite interesting speakers and some quite interesting facts, so I kind of scribbled some notes while I was there and obviously wrote them up here so I don't forget them. This is like a random facts page that I'm keeping, and I really like this fact that in 2019 there were 3,743 light bulbs on the pyramid stage at Glastonbury, so I like random facts like that. So this, I've got more to add onto here, but this was around kind of art journaling, which is something that I'm kind of really interested in. These are planning and journaling facts and some famous journalers. Again, just information that I come across that I think will be really useful in the future. You know, perhaps when I'm doing the intro to Plannerfest 2020, I might refer back to this, and some of it might make it into my presentation. Some of the benefits of daily journaling, gratitude, you know, these were some 55 positive things to say to your child. Some quotes that I like, which I've just didn't want to forget, so I've just recorded them here. This was like an aromatherapy blend when I was overdue and trying to encourage baby to come along naturally. Some quotes about journaling and writing that I, again, wanted to record. This was quite a short book, but quite a useful book around productivity. I took a lot away from it. It was called Habit Imitation. It was on Kindle, 60 Tiny Habits to Less Stress and More Happiness, one habit at a time. So there was quite a lot about kind of planning and productivity and so forth. So I just wanted to record some notes about that. So what else have I got in here? Some baby advice that I've been given and didn't want to forget. English grammar. My grandma was a stickler for English grammar, and again, so I just wanted to kind of record it and make sure that it's not forgotten. People often don't use, well, the example here, Sally and I went to the store. They, you know, people don't use that, but she always used to correct us if we didn't, you know, use I correctly in the way it should be. So I just wanted to kind of record that. So I think that's all that I really have recorded at the moment. Obviously, I've got lots of pages to go. But I would love to see your commonplace book if you have one, and know kind of what you're including in it, how many pages you've got filled out and so forth. So I just think it's a really nice thing to have and to keep, and to, you know, one day kind of pass it on. It's like a time capsule, I suppose, to, you know, life and what's important to me, or things that I want to remember for the future, really. So yeah, so thanks for watching. As I say, let me know in the comments or by tagging Planner UK, so I can take a look at your commonplace books and some of your pages. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon.